Hello guys, welcome to Total RC. I'm here in the car today with Sam and we are on a mission today to get Sam's first model flying lesson out of the way. How are you feeling about that, Sam?
Very nervous.
Very nervous, aren't you? But it's the first time flying at this club, so I don't know how much footage I'll be able to get, but we shall see. And I don't really know where I'm going, to be honest with you, so I'm just trying to get to the flying site, which is just there. I see the windsock and some cars just up here. So Sam will be flying with the instructor today, if he's here, and if they've got the trainer plane. And good luck, mate. Disaster stuff. So Sam's just had his first little lesson there. Had to go on the buddy box system and did a couple of little turns and stuff. It's quite blustery up there, so it was a bit all over the place, but he has had a go, and the plane is still in one piece. There's a few people here today. This is my little plane which I've bought. That is yet unflown. It's an e-flite variant, 1.3 meters, so hopefully someone's going to chuck that out today, just check it's trimmed nicely. But I've also had to go on the buddy box myself, and that was all fine. How do you think that went, Sam?
It was actually really fun.
Was it fun? Yeah, it was a bit weird, wasn't it? It's blowy up there and it kept turning away.
It's harder than I thought to turn.
Yeah, but it just takes practice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And what's this you've got?
Toy glider.
That's from Lidl's, isn't it? Or Aldi's or something like that. So Sam likes his little aeroplanes. Anyway, I'm hopefully going to get a go on that later. Someone's going to chuck it up and just check, like I think I've just said, it's all trimmed nicely, and take it from there. But at the moment, there's some pylon racing action. I think they're just trimming up and doing something or other. So we shall see what happens. But Sam shall be going up again soon. I'm glad he enjoyed it. Pylon racing is off. Don't know how much of that you'll be able to see. Oh dear, that's not going too well, that one. Needs to rejoin the formation. They're very small, these planes. These are like club models that they all build out of Deepron. Oh, he's gone in. Hopefully no casualties. Quite a soft landing. Right, that is us done and dusted. There's little Sam. He had a couple of little lessons today. Yeah, fun, isn't it? The second one was a bit more successful. Got some good circuits in. There's my beast. Someone else tested it. Great guy called Guy, and then I had to go on fully on my own on the second go, and it's still in one piece. Wicked. Right, back to the car. Right, Sam, so you've had your first flying lesson today. How do you reckon it went?
It was really fun, actually.
Yeah?
I didn't think it would be that much fun.
And what was it you were flying? It was a Max Thrust Riot 2 or something, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And your instructor was good, wasn't he?
Yeah.
So he had to take control a couple of times, didn't he? But you did some great circuits in the end.
I definitely saw a difference.
Yeah, did you learn anything? That's the main thing.
Yeah.
And would you like to have another go? Yeah, I'll say there's a yes. Right, that is it for today, and I'll be back soon with some more flying, hopefully. I think there's only one more session with this club. This is Okehampton Model Flying Club in Devon. One more session this summer, and then it goes indoors for the winter. And luckily, Sam's got his little blade heli.
Goodbye.